So it has been on a bullish trend over the past few days, and I mentioned in the previous update, this range between 14 cents to 14.5 cents was one to be keeping an eye on, given the fact that if we were to lose this range, that would then confirm that we're bearish, and what we could see play out is a WX while structure to the downside to form the Y wave, and the flip side would have been the Persevator, finding support within that range and seeing another push to the upside. Now, as you can see, the complete opposite ended up taking place to what I was looking at for, which was a bearish move, and instead we ended up seeing a reversal to the upside where the Persevator ended up breaching above the previous local top at 19 cents, and so that then confirmed that we were on a bullish trend. Now, we also had an impulsive move play out, and this move looks to be a five-way structure, and as a result it looks like we have to sort of rejig the structure slightly, given that initially I was looking at for a WX structure, but instead it looks like something else is playing out. And so the only thing that we can do at this stage is analyze what has taken place over the past couple of days. And yeah, as mentioned, we had a five-way structure that formed, and it looks like we have a correction that's playing out right now. So if I zoom in, we had a three-wave move that formed, and then we had a correction where we got rejected at the 20 and 50 MA, and then we saw a reversal to the downside where we breached below this level here. And so as it stands, it looks like we have a three-wave move. So if I was to bring in the fib tool and bring this to 18.71 cents. So here what you can see is the Y wave ended up exceeding the minimum requirement, which is the 61.8% retracement level at 17.41 cents. And typically it can reach anywhere between 1 to 1.236. And so in the short term, what we can see is a Persevator fall into this range between 16.2 cents to 16.65 cents. And then ideally, what we need for the Persevator to be bullish is for ADA to find support within this range and then see another reversal to the upside where we then breach above the local top. And should that be the case, what we could see is the Persevator, assuming we reach the upper target, what we could see is the Persevator potentially reach anywhere between 20.89 cents to 22.42 cents. Now, if we go slightly lower and reach the lower target, we could go slightly higher and reach anywhere between 21 cents to 22.78 cents. And given that we had a potential five-way structure that played out within this move here, so if I just remove this for now. So given that we had a five-way structure that played out, what we can see is a correction and another reversal to the upside. And in order for the Persevator to be bullish in the midterm, what we need is for ADA to find support within this region between 50 to 8.2% of this whole move to the upside. And so that range sits between 14.41 cents to 16.63 cents. So in the midterm, if we were to find support within this range, we could see the Persevator go even higher, and from then on out, what we could see play out is either a bigger three-wave move to the upside, like so, or best case scenario, a five-way structure, like so. And if we have a five-way structure, that could then signal that we are on a bullish trend, and it would then be possible that we ended up bottoming out at around 13 cents. And so yeah, over the next few days or next couple of weeks, that's something I'm going to be looking at for, and I will keep you guys updated.